Going to give a little tour of my newer van here. It's a 2023 Ford Transit 350. I bought it about 3 months ago, and I think I just finished doing all the shelving. But to show how I got my stuff set up, got my flashlight charger there. Got a 1500 watt power inverter back there. Got my nun right there. Got some hoses here on the door. Not gonna explain everything here, but got more hoses, some flex shaft cables, snakes, flex shaft machines, got some cameras. I got all this stuff organized, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Camera parts. First aid kit, all my, well, not all my chains, but some chains. Got some drills. Different batteries and chargers. All sorts of good stuff.